Welcome, here I've got SHARP Aquos Sense2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to advanced camera settings. Now let's stay on the picture settings here, and at the second place we have white line here, so when we tap on it we can pick from different kind of grid lines. As you can see, this is a lot. So for example, let me show you the person tool, and let's go back to the camera preview to see it. As you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography, or taking better portraits, or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the right corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can see them at the real one. And we can of course go back to the right corner, pick once again white line. Let me show you, for example, maybe Fibonacci 2, and in the camera preview it looks like that. So this is the spiral. So once again, let's go to the right corner to the white line, and you can pick whatever you need, and I suggest you to have fun and make experiments with that, because we have really wide choice here. And that's all. We can of course turn them off, and now they have gone here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.